Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Today is Sunday, February 18th, 2018. I like that. 2/18/18. And I'm going to go ahead and try and finish up my taxes. It's been about 2 weeks since I got the TurboTax done, and I was able to send the federal in, and it was approved. The state was rejected because of the little document verification number that's down in the lower right hand corner on in this case my wife's driver's license. Different from the driver ID. These are little 10 digits down here, and they want the first 3. Well, when I went in, the state rejected it. So I messed around a couple of times trying to get the program to fix it, and it wouldn't do it because when I kept coming back to that section, there was no section to put those verification letters in there. Wasn't there. It was gone. So I decided I'm going to go ahead. I gave it a couple weeks to maybe reset itself. There is a number that you can call TurboTax to have that done. Well, at least you got personal help. But I didn't get around to giving them a call. I decided to just wait and see if things would go through. And I went back in this morning. I got my number to call TurboTax if I have to. But I'm going to go. It keeps telling me I'm going to have to send it in by mail. At least what that did. So right now I'm going to go ahead and try and go through the process one more time, and then if not, I'm going to go ahead and download and print copies of the tax and go ahead and get it sent out tomorrow. So let's see what happens. I'm back on the TurboTax site, and then it says continue to refile. So let's see. Going to go through the process, and hopefully maybe something, worked itself out. You know how freaking their technology and their programs are. So back down. We'll file your returns. It just said I clicked on refile process again. Start. Let's get ready to e-file. I want to e-file. I can actually probably stick that on. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. Type of state issued ID do I have? Okay, we're doing the driver's license again. And we got that. Okay. So mine's in. Mine went through fine. At least mine went through. Everything went through federal-wise, so I don't understand why the other one. Type does Patricia have also, or with the driver's license again. Hey, the document number line is back. Oh, that's a great thing. Yes. All right, the document number block is back where it wasn't the last time I tried to do it. All right. Let's see. I took a picture of her ID. There it is. Okay, make sure issue date's right. Expiration date is right. And issue date's right. Okay, and document number, learn more, so the heck of it. What is my document number? Your document number is an 8 or 10 digit alphanumeric number on your driver's license. I guess this is at least for New York. I don't know what it is for other states. It may be tricky. Sometimes it's preceded by IDUSA. In this case, she's got an old driver's license, and there is no IDUSA. Mine did. Mine's a newer driver's license, so it's actually one of them special ones that you can go, you can use as a actual document that you can go across the border and stuff like that. So I know all that's changing because you're going to have these type of driver's licenses that they can verify at plane ticket desks and being able to use them when you go through security and stuff like that. So I know that's coming up, I think, in 2020. What, kids? I'm busy right now. Go play. Alright, so I've got that in. Continue. Don't growl at me. Go play. Alright, remaining this. I want to see if this is going to go. Process agreements. Refund process agreement. Okay, thanks. Now confirm your personal information. Yes, her and I are both U.S. citizens. Please wait while we register your information. Read and consent. Disclosure consent. Yes. Following information. Yes. Disclosure is important. Okay. Her and I. And type the date below, which has got to be the current date. I had that problem the other day. I did it 2 days, so I had changed the dates 2 times. And it still wouldn't go. Okay, here we go. Agree. Okay, your confirmation of payment options. Yes, we have. And it states that they can only charge you once for the process. Okay, agree. Yes. Alright, continue. See what happens. Make sure everything is accurate. We'll close the okay. And if you're not able to fix these issues, you will return to the screen, and you can print the return and select it and send it by mail. So here we go. Okay, check your entries. Oh, we did that. Some values are too large and have caused calculation errors. Thought they fixed that. Some values are too large and have caused calculation errors.
Hey, honey.
Yeah, babe.
Did you ever buy paper?
Yes, I did.
Can I have some?
Sure. Oh, man. Well, looks like I've got an issue again. It says, let's make sure everything's accurate. This is back to where it was when I had the first issue. Before I even was able to, because it kept telling me before that it couldn't send it by Fed because it had these issues. Then it corrected it and then sent the Fed, but now the state wouldn't go because of those documents. It's not the Fed, it's the problem. Nope, it just keeps going back and forth. Take me back again, continue. Make sure everything's accurate. We're close to finishing the e-file. But that's the thing, the federal's already been sent. You know, fix federal return. And I'd sent this one in, or I sent a question in on this earlier, and they said they were gonna, this one was going to be fixed, and it was. So I was able to go through it, and everything went. The federal's already gone, but the state would not go because of those three digits that would not be were not accepted. So it just keeps going. Back to check your entry. Continue. Some values are too large and have caused calculation errors. And it just keeps doing the same thing now. So I guess I'm just gonna have to. I should call them. So frustrating sometimes. This wasn't supposed to be in the system. They're supposed to have fixed it. Coming back out again. God. Hopefully we'll solve the problem here in a minute. It's not doing anything. I guess I'm just going to have to go ahead and print the state by hand and go ahead and send it that way. What's going on? Back in the state. Now the system's actually locked up. Huh? Okay. I just don't understand why it won't just deal with the state. Well, let's come back. I've gotten through it again. I come back out, and now I've just got a blank screen. It just tells me my federal fund and my New York refund that I should be getting, but nothing else. I wonder because there's too many people on it at the same time that causes that system to quote unquote crash, huh? So anyway, I'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And catch me on the next Danny Crosby's Vlogs.